Welcome back. Here's a news break that's coming in that's no doubt going to lead to a further showdown between the centre and the opposition in the winter session of Parliament. Sources point to a possible suspension of 20 opposition MPs who had created ruckus in Rajya Sabha during the last session. Sources say that the government may table a proposal calling for the suspension of unruly lawmakers in Parliament, and this could spark a fresh government-opposition coalition course. Remember that footage that had emerged from a few months ago in the monsoon session of Parliament, but there was a showdown in the Rajya Sabha that led to ruckus. There were a lot of questions about the unruly conduct of several opposition MPs. Sources telling us that the government could seek action and perhaps even the suspension of these MPs.
मोदी जी ने एक मैसेज दिया है कि जहाँ बिल वापस ले रहे हैं वहाँ उनको 20 को सस्पेंड करने का, कि आगे शायद कोई ये बात करे ना, लेकिन मोदी जी ये कहना चाहते हैं ये बात बहुत गलत है, ये तौहीन है लोकतंत्र की। जब पिछला सत्र खत्म हो गया है, आज एक नया शुरुआत होने जा रही है। किसान बिल का बहुत बड़ा एक दबाव था पूरे देश में, अब उसको जब रिपील किया है तो ये बहुत गलत बात की है इनको सस्पेंड करने का। ये लोकतंत्र का, डेमोक्रेसी का मतलब हत्या है, कह सकते हैं।
Let's bring in Supriya Bharadwaj on this. Supriya, you were mentioning this earlier about how the government could just seek action, suspension of about 20 MPs, all from the opposition, who were involved in that ugly, ruckus and chaos that broke out in Parliament a few months ago. There's been a lot of questions, about the kind of action that would have been taken, particularly because there was a stalemate that had been reached in the inquiry also against these MPs.
Well, Akshita, as far as these MPs are concerned, they are saying that they are elected representatives and they were just trying to raise the concerns of the farmers inside the house. We have heard from the Congress also. We'll try to get in word from the Shiv Sena also. Priyanka Chaturvedi is here. And as far as the entire opposition is concerned, there was this crucial meeting going on, and reactions are coming in when the leaders are saying that they were raising the issues of the farmers in the house, and their intention was not to create disruption. Government was trying to bulldoze the bills, and that's why the entire showdown happened. So here is Priyanka Chaturvedi. We'll try to get in a word from her, because her name also gets mentioned in that entire list of 20 MPs. So we'll try to get a quick word from her as to what is her take on this action being taken against the MPs. But certainly this is not going to go down well with the opposition.
Okay, we'll stand by for that reaction from Priyanka Chaturvedi. For the moment, Supriya, thank you for joining us with those details.